Good morning students. Welcome back to Sunain Sir's online classes. In this video, I am going to explain you plane slab experiment or glass slab experiment or incident ray and emergent ray parallel to each other or understanding lateral shift. Only questions are different whereas answer is same. The same answer will be for all these questions answer is same. So first let us know what is lateral shift. Lateral shift is nothing but horizontal distance between incident ray and emergent ray. If you take a glass slab, if some light ray is incident at an angle in this way, and after going refraction this light ray will come out at some other point from the glass slab from this point. So here at this point light ray is incident and at this point light ray is coming out. This light ray which is coming out is called as emergent ray. The light ray which is coming out of glass slab is called as emergent ray, and this is called as incident ray. Now the horizontal distance between this incident ray and emergent ray is called as lateral shift. This is called as lateral shift. It is nothing but horizontal distance between incident ray and emergent ray. Now let us see how to find this lateral shift or plane slab experiment or glass slab experiment or incident ray emergent ray parallel to each other. Let us find out this one. First aim is to understand lateral shift or to prove incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. Apparatus which we require is, we need to have one table and chart, pencil, scale, we need to have some pins, and finally glass slab. And in this image you can see this is nothing but a glass slab. This is a thin glass slab and this is a thick glass slab. It's better to do this activity with thin glass slab. This is nothing but a glass slab or plane slab. These are pins which you need in the experiment. You can take any one of these pins. Now procedure. Let us go to procedure. First what you need to do is, you need to take a white chart and fix it on the table. First take a table and fix white chart on the table. After fixing white chart on the table, draw two perpendicular lines MM and NN. Draw two perpendicular lines MM and NN. Now at the center of these two perpendicular lines place plane slab or glass slab. In this way place plane slab or glass slab at the center of these two perpendicular lines. After placing plane slab, what you need to do is draw border throughout the plane slab. After fixing the plane slab by using pencil, draw border throughout the plane slab. Now remove the plane slab from this position. After removing plane slab, you will get one rectangle and name that rectangle as ABCD. Name the rectangle as ABCD. So after getting a rectangle ABCD, what you need to do is, you need to draw one perpendicular line to AB. To side AB, draw perpendicular line. This perpendicular line will act as normal. Draw a perpendicular line to AB which will act as normal to the side AB. Next, by using protractor, draw a line at an angle of 30 degrees to the normal. By using protractor to this normal, draw a line at an angle 30 degrees. At an angle 30 degrees, draw a line by using protractor. This line will act as incident ray. This line will act as incident ray. First what you need to do is you need to place plane slab. After placing plane slab, draw border throughout the plane slab by using pencil. Now after drawing border, remove the plane slab from its position, and finally you will get a rectangle ABCD. You will get a rectangle ABCD. Now after getting rectangle, draw a normal to the side AB. To the side AB, draw a normal, draw a perpendicular line to the side AB. This perpendicular line will act as normal. Now after drawing normal, draw a line at an angle 30 degrees to the normal by using protractor. By using protractor, draw a line at an angle 30 degrees, and this line will act as incident ray. Now on this line what you need to do is you need to place on this incident line at an angle of 30 degrees. You need to place two pins. Place two pins on this incident ray. After placing two pins on this line, replace the glass slab in its original position. Replace the glass slab. Now start observing these pins from the other side of the glass slab. From this side, start observing these pins. Wherever you see the image of these pins, mark a point over there. Wherever you see the image of these pins, here and here, mark a point over there. After marking point over there, join these points by using a straight line. Join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, draw a normal here and measure the angle between normal and this line. Now this line will act as emergent ray, and when you measure angle between emergent ray and normal, that angle will be equal to 30 degrees. So first what you need to do is you need to place the pins on the incident ray. Place 2 pins, and after placing 2 pins, replace the slab in its original position. And start observing these pins from the opposite side, from the other side. Wherever you see the image of these pins, mark a point over there. After marking point, join these two points with a straight line. This straight line will act as emergent ray. This straight line is nothing but emergent ray. Now draw a normal and measure the angle between normal and emergent ray. This angle will be equal to 30 degrees. So initially incident angle is also 30 degrees and emergent angle is also 30 degrees. It means from this we can conclude that incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. Now if you find the distance between these two parallel rays, this is emergent ray and this is incident ray. If you find the distance between incident ray and emergent ray, that will give you, this will give you lateral shift. It will give you lateral shift. Place 2 pins on the incident ray of angle 30 degrees. Now replace the slab in its original position. Try to observe these pins from the other side of the slab. By seeing the image of these pins, draw a straight line along these pins. This line represents emergent ray. Remove the slab and draw normal to the side CD. Now remove the slab and draw normal and measure the angle between incident ray, measure the angle between emergent ray and normal. This angle is called as angle of emergence, and you will get this angle as 30 degrees. So repeat the experiment with other angles of incidence, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. In all the cases you can see that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. From this we can conclude that incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. In this image you can see here in this image, this is incident ray and the light ray which is coming out of this slab is called emergent ray. Incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. Here you can see clearly, and also here this is incident ray and this is emergent ray, the ray which is coming out of this lab. These two are parallel to each other. In this image you can see this is angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence 30 degrees, and this is the incident ray, and here this is one pin placed over incident ray, and here there is another pin placed over incident ray, and angle of incidence initially we took it as 30 degrees, and this is the normal. So here by observing these two pins from the other side, we are marking 2 points here. By observing these two pins from the other side, we are marking 2 points here, and by joining these 2 points we will draw one straight line. This straight line will act as emergent ray, and angle between this emergent ray and normal is, we will get it as, when we measure we will get it as 30 degrees. From this we can conclude that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, and incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other. And distance between, here you can see incident ray is going inside the slab at this point, whereas emergent ray is coming out of the slab at this point. So there is some horizontal distance between this point and this point. So this horizontal distance between these 2 points is nothing but lateral shift. This is nothing but lateral shift. To find lateral shift, measure the horizontal distance between incident ray and emergent ray, which gives lateral shift. I hope it's clear. Thank you everyone.